Hey everybody, Simon Singh here today at St.Albert Dodge, showcasing one of my favorite vehicles here. We have a 2020 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon Launch Edition. Let's take a look at this. If there ever was a zombie apocalypse, let me tell you, this is the vehicle that I'd be driving around in. So let's come on over to the front here. Classic Jeep styling, all blacked out. The fascia is really nice here. You have a forward facing camera here, trail camera, which is very convenient for a true off-roading experience. Steel bumpers as well with red recovery hooks here. Gives it a very iconic look here. You know exactly what you're getting. Beautiful, aggressive sport hood. Steel bumpers, you get these corners right here. You can pull them right off so you can traverse all types of terrain here, not have to worry about going over rocks and damaging your vehicle here. So coming on over to the side here, we have a Wild Peak all-terrain, aggressive tires here, very high ground clearance as well, sitting on 17-inch rims, beautiful blackout, keyless proximity entry on the vehicle as well. You have a set of rock rails underneath here to protect your underside here, a roll-up tonneau cover, which is included with the vehicle here. Really nice high ground clearance. Once again, red recovery hooks on the back, 7 and 4-pin wiring here for your tow capacity needs. You're able to tow 7,650 pounds with this unit here, powered by a beautiful V6 motor here. Backup camera, lockable tailgate, and dampened tailgate too, with the bed liner as well. So let's take a look on the inside. Hey everybody, Simon Singh here. In the back of this beautiful 2020 Jeep Rubicon Gladiator, nice leather seats, very durable. There's no scents or smells in the vehicle as well. Seats do fold up 60/40, and underneath here, pretty nice. You have a lockable storage compartment here on both sides, which is pretty convenient here for all your goodies, especially when you have your roof off, your top off, and enjoying the summer. Another nice feature here is behind the seat here, and I'll get a little assistance there. We have a portable Bluetooth speaker right over here. Unique to the launch edition here, Gladiator. Really nice, definitely for your little camping trips and at the lake. You have a rear slider as well, that is heated. And then you have a plug-in outlet back here as well with the USB capabilities as well. Let's take a look at the front. Hey everybody, Simon Singh here on the inside of this beautiful 2020 Rubicon, Jeep Gladiator Rubicon launch edition. So lots of nice things to go over this vehicle with you here. Let's take a look on the front, the dash. This is where all the action happens for a driver and a co-pilot, I guess, right? So they've made this very convenient and user-friendly now, as you know, compared to the old Jeeps. Heated seats, heated wheel as well, passengers heated seats as well, climate control. You also have a 12-volt plug-in here. You have a media center here for your fast charging needs, auxiliary outputs as well. You have a nice little area here for any additional, let's say, light bars or winches, auxiliary outputs where you can have the switches available to you, nice and easy. And then one of the iconic things here with a Jeep in particular is the front and rear axle disconnect here. So truly versed for all types of terrain here. You're one of a kind, award-winning 4x4 here as well. You have a high definition screen on this unit, which is really nice, pairing your phones, your devices, Sirius XM capabilities as well. Heated seats, heated wheel, like I mentioned here. Here's a pretty cool thing. Navigation is included as part of ownership, so no additional cost there. But let's take a look at the camera here. So this is pretty cool here. Your forward-facing camera, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video. Look at this. How sweet is that? Like literally, that's awesome. So lots of capabilities there. Your backup camera, you can see your backup camera as you're driving if you wanted to. Forward-facing camera comes in very handy if you're trekking through the mountains and doing real Jeep things here, I guess. Adaptive cruise control on the vehicle. It only has a 52,500 kilometers on this unit. Universal garage door opener as well. The tops pop off, as you know, for most Jeep owners. Lots of fun for the summertime. Very easy and user-friendly as well. And then there's an SOS and assist button here. So this is really nice and critical. God forbid you're in a position of emergency, you need help. You simply hit your SOS button and somebody comes to help you out here. So Yeah, lots more to go through. If you have any questions, you want to test drive this vehicle, have a little bit of fun with me here, please feel free to contact me directly, 587-974-2493. Thank you so much.